Rolife, Kiki's Magic Emporium. Here it is. World's smallest crystal ball, at least in my book. That wasn't even supposed to be a crystal ball. It was supposed to turn into a lantern, which is a perfect example of one of the many ways that I love to take these amazing do-it-yourself dioramas and make it your own. And that's exactly what I do with these. I make them what I want them to be. My goal isn't for them to look exactly like the cover of the box. Now, for some people it is. Sometimes the way the furniture and things fit, it has to go a certain way, but everything else, I love to improvise. So much of this is, especially the floor you'll see, is inked with black and brown inks. I pretty much inked almost everything in here or made it look old by using sandpaper. These boxes here to the left that are on those shelves, they come completely white. And so I really inked them. Again, I love this crystal ball. There's only two things I didn't glue down, the crystal ball, and then I made a message in a bottle, which is right in front there. And have fun with this. Someone asked on the live tonight when I was putting everything together where to find some of these things. Like, I improvised the candles and made them kind of my own way. I put up curtains, that kind of stuff. I put up this sparkly material on the ceiling. Thrift shops are a great place to find the things that you're going to add. You can usually go to a bin that they mark crafts and they will have all sorts of different things. But you can check out all of these in my TikTok shop. This one is Kiki's Magic Emporium. And when you're in my TikTok shop, you'll be able to check out all the rest of them as well. If you are not where you have a TikTok shop, I also have a link to Rolife in my, if you click on outside the line and go to my link tree, you'll find Rolife as one of the things that you can click on. And I also have them in my, many of them in my Amazon affiliate. But I will say the TikTok shop, I believe, is the easiest way to order. I think it's fast. I'm just really enjoying the TikTok shop. And I will have more videos to come of actually putting these pieces of furniture together. But since I'm a full-time nurse, I still have to make sure that I get that job done first. So more videos to come of the furniture pieces that are in this. But most of all, have fun, enjoy it, make it your own.